बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलाम वालेकुम। Exercise 1.24. Question number 1. A man left Rs 2,40,000 as inheritance and his here are six daughters and two sons. Okay. And find the share of each inheritor so that a son gets twice of his sister and share. It means one son double as sister. Okay, now let's start. Here is simply question. Here is right here. A man left RS 2,40,000 as inheritance and six daughter and two son divided inheritance. Okay, now this one is daughter. This one is daughter and this one is ratio son. Okay, one daughter son is double inheritance. Okay, how many daughter? Six. Six multiply here and ratio 2 multiply here is double, here is 2 times. Okay, 2 son here, 2 multiply here. Okay, now multiply here is 6 ratio, here is 6 ratio 4. Okay, now sum of ratio is 4 plus 6 is equal to 10. Okay, now more simplify here is daughter is here and one daughter inheritance inheritance is equal to 1 over 10. Sum of ratio multiply. This one is 24, 2,40,000. Okay, and 1,010 cancel. Remaining is 24,000. It is answer. Okay, RS. Each यानी कि one daughter is 24,000 because we find each of inheritance son and twice of sister. Okay, one daughter is 24,006 and 6 here is multiply here and total answer daughter. Okay, now each son, it means one son, one daughter in inheritance and one son inheritance. Okay, now son is 2 over 10. This one is 2 or double daughter and double son. Okay, now more simplify here is 24, 2,40,000. Okay, now 100 cancel and 4000, sorry, 200, 200, 200 and 24 multiplied 248, 48,000. It is answer. Okay, one son is inheritance is 48,000. Next question. This one is Allah Ditta died leaving a property of Rs 8,50,000. Okay. Next, he left a widow. This one is widow, two sons and one daughter. Find the share of each of the inheritance. Burial expenditure was Rs 50,000. Okay. First we less whole property less burial expenditure. It means here is 8,50,000 minus burial expenditure is 50,000. Remaining is 8 lakh. Okay. Now we find widow. First we find widow. Widow is part is 1 over 8 if her daughter or son have. Okay. Now widow inheritance. 8,000 divided by 1 by 8. Okay. 8 lakh divided by 8, and now 8 on the 8. 1 lakh is widow. Here is right here is 1 lakh, which is inheritance widow inheritance 1 lakh. Okay. Now other is 2 son and 1 daughter. 2 son and 1 daughter. It means daughter here and son is here. Sorry, 1 lakh and total 8 lakh. 8 lakh subtract 1 lakh, remaining is 7 lakh. Okay. 7 lakh total amount here, and daughter 1, son is 2 times. Okay. Next, 2 son and 1 daughter. Okay, now 1 and 2 son. More simplify here is sum of 1 and 1 multiply 1 because 1 daughter, and 2 multiply 2 son, here is 2 son. Okay. Now 1:4. The sum of ratio is equal to 5. Now we find daughter inheritance. Daughter inheritance is equal to daughter inheritance di is equal to 1/5 multiply 7 log. Okay. Now more simplify here is 7 1 the 1 7, sorry 5 1 the 5, 2 remainder, and 20. Here is 4 5 the 20, and here is 3 0 here 3 4 1 lakh 40,000. Daughter inheritance 1 daughter inheritance 1 lakh 40,000. Okay. And son is double. Okay. Son is double. 1 son. Son inheritance double yani 28 2 log 80,000. Okay. It is answer. And now more simplify here is son is y is 2 log 80,000, and now we more simplify here is now 1/5 multiply 7 log, and 2 son here is 2/5 multiply 7 log. Okay, now right here is 7 5 14 the 70, and this one is 340 here. Okay. And 14 to the 28 2 lakh 80,000. It is answer. Okay, next question number 3. Here is question number 3. Akram left a wealth as 77 lakh 80,000. His here are widow, 3 son, 4 daughter. Calculate the share of each of the funeral expense as 30,000 and loan also 50,000. Okay, and total amount we calculate. Total inheritance from this one is 30,000 and 50,000 are add and subtract from 7 log 80,000. Okay, now we write here is 7 log 80,000 minus this one and this one are add, it means 80,000 right here, 80,000. Remaining is 7 lakh. Okay. Now we find first widow inheritance. Widow inheritance is 1 over 8 part. It means 7 lakh and divided by 8 is equal to 87,500. Okay, RS. Now this one is total amount less than, here is 7 lakh minus this one, because we find son and daughter inheritance, and total amount here is 6 lakh 12,500. Okay, this inheritance we find son and daughter. Okay, 3 son and 4 daughter. We write here is son and right here is daughter. Okay, son is 1, sorry, 1 daughter, 2 son. It means 1 part is daughter and 2 times is son part. Okay, and now we find 3 son. It means 2 multiply 3 and 1 multiply 4. 6 over 4. Sum of ratio is equal to 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. Okay, now we find son. Son is here. Son inheritance. 1 son inheritance is equal to 1 son. It means each son inheritance, okay, is equal to 2 over 10 multiply, here is 6 lakh 12,500. 0 0 cancel and 2 0 0 2 5 the 10, 1 carry 2 4, 2 to the 4 and 1 5. Okay, 2 1 the 2 and 2 6 the 12. Okay, here is 1 lakh 22,000. 1 lakh 22,000. 1 lakh 22,500 each son. Okay, and now each daughter, here is each daughter inheritance is equal to 1 over 10 multiply 6 lakh 12,500. 0 0 cancel, 61,250. It is answer RS with each daughter of inheritance. Okay, we find here. Next, question number 4. A man died leaving a saving RS 72,000 in the bank. Find share of each widow, 1 son, 1 daughter. Okay, very simply, easily solve here. First we find widow amount. Widow part is 1 over 8. Widow inheritance. Inheritance 1 over 8 part, and now we divided is 72,000. 72,000 over 8. Now more simplify, here is 8 9 the 72. Okay, 9,000. And it is widow amount. Okay. And now next son and daughter. Here is daughter. Sorry, widow is 9,000 and total amount 78. 78,000. Sorry, 72,000. 72,000 minus 9,000. Total is 63,000. Okay. RS. Now we find daughter and son. One daughter, here is two son part. One part is daughter and double is son. Two part. Okay. Now we find sum of ratio. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. More simplify is we find one daughter is here is daughter inheritance is equal to 1 over sum of ratio 3 multiply 63,000. 3 to the 6 and 3 1 the 1. Here is 21,000. And now son inheritance is 2 over 3 multiply 63,000. More simplify, here is 21,000 and multiply 2 multiply 21 is 42. It is answer. RS here and RS here. Okay, this question completed. And next move on question number 5. Here is question number 5. Aslam left a property Rs 6,50,000. He had to pay Rs 50,000 debit. The remaining amount is divided amount 2 son 2 daughter. Find the share of each. Okay, find share of each one by one. And now we simplify, here is total amount minus this one, and next we find son and daughter. Okay, now 65,000, 6,50,000 minus debit pay R is 50,000. Now next is 6 lakh. Okay, RS. And now we find here is daughter and son. One part is son and daughter is 2 part. How many daughter? 2 daughter. Multiply 2. 2 son, 2 multiply 2 ratio 4. Sum of ratio is equal to 6. 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. More simplify, here is each daughter inheritance is equal to 1. Here is 1 or sum of ratio is 6 multiply 6 lakh. Divide, here is 1 lakh. Okay, each daughter is 1 lakh. RS. And each son is inheritance is 2 over 6 multiply 6 lakh. 6 lakh is equal to, here is okay, 6 divide, here is 1 lakh remaining. 6 1 the 6. Okay, here is now 2 multiply, here is 2 lakh. Each son inheritance is 2 lakh and each daughter is inheritance is 1 lakh. It is answer. Next move on question number 6. Here is 6. Okay, now we read. A person died leaving behind inheritance or has 3 lakh. Distribute the amount among 4 sons and 3 daughters. Of each son get double of the daughters. Find the share of each when debate of 80,000. Same as 80,000 less 3 lakh less than 80. Okay, now total 3 lakh. 3 lakh and minus 80,000. Here is minus 80,000. And remaining is 2 lakh 20,000 remaining. Okay, now we find 4 son and 3 daughter. Okay, we write here is daughter and here is son. One part is total inheritance in one part and son is 2 part. How many daughter is 3 daughter. 3 multiply 1, 2 multiply how many son is 4 son. Okay, now 3 ratio 8. Sum of ratio is equal to 11. And now more simplify here is this one is daughter is 1. Okay, daughter each daughter inheritance 1 over sum of ratio 11 multiply 2 lakh 20,000. Okay, 11 to the 22. 11 to the 22. Okay, and here is 2 lakh. 20,000. Okay, and now right here is 20 RS. Okay, and now each son inheritance share is equal to 2 over 11 multiply 2 lakh 20,000. 11 to the 20 and here is 20,000. Okay, and 2 multiply 2 4, it means 40,000 here. Each son of share or inheritance is 40,000. RS, here is RS with RS. It is answer. Okay, next question number 7. Slightly move on. Eventually clear image. And now question number here is 7. Okay, first we read wife of Ahmed died leaving behind 2 daughter and son. 2 daughter and son. If Ahmed gets 1 by 4 of the inheritance of RS 1 log 80,000, the remaining amount to be distributed among the children so that son receive twice of daughter share. Find the amount of share of each daughter, son and Ahmed. Okay, first we find Ahmed inheritance. Total amount is 1 log 80,000. Ahmed inheritance is equal to 1 log 80,000 and here is okay multiply 1 over 4 and total is 45,000 RS. And now minus total amount is 1 log 80,000 minus 40,000 because we find son and daughter inheritance are okay. And now 1 log 35,000 remaining amount. Okay, RS. And here is daughter and his son ratio. And also we find here is how many daughter. 2 daughter and a son. 2 daughter and 1 son. It means 1 daughter part is 2 times of son and 2 daughter is 2 multiply here 1, and this one is same as sun is 1. Okay, now 2 ratio 1, sum of ratio is equal to 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Now we find son and daughter inheritance. Each daughter inheritance is equal to 1 over 3 multiply 1 log 35,000, and remaining value is 33,750 RS. Okay, and now we find each daughter. It means one son have each son daughter son inheritance is equal to 2 times one daughter. It means 2 multiply or 2 over 3 multiply here is 1 log 35,000, here is 35,000. Now finally answer is his daughter is 0 and 5 0 7 7 the 14 1 carry 5 1 carry and 3 3 6 and 7, and here is 67,500. It is answer. This exercise completed, and next inshallah exercise we will do, and take care. Allah Hafiz.